I use it on my skin, and I used to have crack in my heel before. You know the crack, them big crack in your foot back.
Hey guys, Felicity here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm at the humble home of Miss Anne-Marie, right behind me. And guess what? She's cooking, yes. But what she's cooking, what she's preparing is traditional Jamaican coconut oil. We already started. I'm going to share that with you right now. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel though, I implore you, I invite you, I encourage you to join us. We do a lot of these kind of videos sharing what we call the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So join us, man, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, that way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go into it. So guys, this is Anne-Marie, and she's gonna show us, what you're gonna tell us? What you're gonna show us, Miss Anne-Marie?
How to make homemade coconut oil from scratch.
Alright, perfect. Alright, so give my viewers a rundown on the step by step, what you're gonna do. So the first thing, if I don't get the coconut like this, I would have to husk them from the hooks, right? So I need to make 1 bottle of oil. I need 12 of these. Okay? Yes. So we're going to break these, wash, and then grate, and the process. And then grate, and then
juice, leave overnight, and then tomorrow I scrape off the cream off the top, and then I do the coconut oil.
Meaning
to boil it.
Boil it?
Yes.
Alright. So, let's go. So the first step now is to
break it. So I need a hammer.
Ooh, strong man.
Yeah.
What? You use the water? You don't water for anything?
No, it depends, and if the coconut is well fresh, then it can be. I will use them. See, this one is not that fresh, but it still can use for the coconut.
Okay, but so you don't use the water there?
No.
Okay, cool. Alright, so this is the husking. Is that what we call it, the husking?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm going to need a knife. Please.
And break and husk. Alright. You're an expert by now in the husking, so you don't get any cuts, right, miss?
No, I don't really get cut like that.
Not anymore?
I used to, don't know. Yeah. Used to get some cut and finger cut up and stuff.
Okay.
Not really cut up anymore.
Okay, good.
Used to it, see?
Alright.
Yeah. Whoa.
Okay. And this looks like it's the original pudding pan, we call it, right?
Yes, man, this is real.
Where you get that one?
You know, so they pudding pan here from me, like, me inherit it from my old first husband. You know?
Okay.
And him have a long time.
You get it from your grandmother?
Yeah.
I don't think they make those anymore.
No.
Okay.
The one here no company market, a sunshine one, me see a company.
Okay, cool.
Alright, so I'm going to.
Alright, so what you just did was husk? And now you wash the coconut?
Yes, wash them.
Or wash, rinse, or whatever it is.
Rinse, wash.
Alright.
Yes. And then we're heading to grating.
We're gonna grate?
Yes.
Alright, so step 1 and 2 sound like it's out, and we're gonna do the grating now.
Right.
Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the husk, or the coconut removed from the shell, washed and ready to be grated, and this is the grating process, right?
Yes,
it
is.
The big old grater you have here, Miss. This one.
Yes,
this is an oversized one.
Yes, one.
Alright.
Can I get it job done?
Yes. And guys, this is the traditional way we're talking about. Right? So there's no crushing to any machine. is hand grated the old time way, the same way our parents and grandparents used to do it.
Yeah.
Right? By hand grate it until every piece is grated out. Now I'm gonna watch I'm watching Miss Anne-Marie here because I'm gonna see how far she grate. Oh, because I'm gonna see how far she's gonna grate it down. So when you finish with that piece, you just straight out and get another piece.
Yes.
Alright, you just take. Okay, so this is a little piece here, guys. And she left. But otherwise, what will happen if you try to grate too far?
You will get your fingernail cut out and your finger get cut.
And I'm sure you have some experience with that.
Yes, I do.
Oh boy, you don't have that anymore. You're an
and I get used to it, so I know when to put on brakes from my hand.
Okay.
So I can bring it down as far as possible. See?
Okay, cool.
Yes.
Alright. So let's say while you're grating, Miss Anne-Marie, let's say a rum bottle, which is a 25 ounce bottle, right? The 750 ml bottle.
Right.
No man, keep working. Don't let me stop you. So for that size, how many coconuts would you need?
About 12.
12 coconuts.
Depends
on average size.
Yes.
And then how long would that take you to grate the 12 coconuts?
The 12 coconuts will take me at least half an hour, 20 to half an hour, 30 minutes.
Half an hour?
Yeah, 12.
I thought you were gonna say like 4 or 5 hours.
No.
All right. So for demonstration purposes, guys, we're not gonna do all 12 or for a full bottle, but we wanted to get the essence of what she's doing. So she actually started before I came. Started grating some of the coconut, so that's why she already have like a half a pudding pan of coconut ready. But that's the essence of what she's of the process. Is just the grating by hand, same old way we did it 20 years ago, 50 years ago, 100 years ago. She's doing that, right?
Yes, I am.
Yes, this is the technology then, and this is her little technology now. But I assure you, and I know a lot of you will agree with me that this hand process makes it taste even nicer, right, Miss Anne-Marie?
Nicer, much nicer. Yes.
All right, cool. All right, so that's the grating. I just will finish this one and then we move to the next process. So when you wrap your lip, does it make it go any faster, Miss?
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. I believe so. Kind of take off.
You call it? No, you double your lip, right?
Yeah.
That's what we said? Yeah, I noticed you're doing a lot of that. All right, good. So that's it. That's a grated
Then
coconut.
I'm going to wash this to squeeze out the juice.
To get the juice out. So you're gonna pour some water on it.
Yes.
Okay. And then
juice it.
And then squeeze it out. Yes. Wring it out or squeeze it out. All right. So what are you doing now? You're gonna warm some water?
Yes, I'm going to warm some water just to help with to get the oil from the cream. Right?
So the heated water does make it easier to
extract the oil from the coconut.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
Alright guys, so the oil, water heating up, and the heated water now, the heated water here is gonna be poured in here.
Yes.
Right? And that will help to pull out the juice, extract the juice easier.
Yes.
Alright guys, almost missed this. Miss Anne-Marie started the juice and I didn't call me anyway.
Yes.
Alright, so we're juicing. You get the water out already?
Yes, you don't need it to be
boiling.
well hot.
Oh, otherwise you're gonna
need it warm.
Okay.
Yes.
After all, you put in your hand in there.
Yes.
Oh. So it's a very manual process. Okay, you have to physically have your hand in the process at all times.
Yes.
Alright, so you didn't put a lot of water in there, no?
No, I don't need a whole lot of water.
Is there? I guess it's more judgment, more experience than anything. You don't pour a lot. You don't pour too little, right?
No.
So your experience will tell you how much based on the amount of coconut.
Yes, that's
okay.
right.
Okay. All right. Cool. So for this one, how much water you put in? Like 2 cups?
Yes, 2 cups of water.
Okay, so it's basically warm water.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Warm water.
Okay. I squeeze it out and pour it in here. The trash in here.
Yes.
All right. And approximately how many coconut in this one here, miss?
This is about 3 coconuts.
About 3 coconuts.
Yes.
Okay. So about 3 coconuts, approximately 2 cups of water. You can say safely. All right.
Yes.
All right. Start to look good. And start to look good, man. And the coconuts are obviously hard, dried coconuts.
Yes, they have to be well dried.
Well dried. If
yes.
not, what happens?
If not, you're going to have more like a gel. It's going to be jelly. The cream is going to be jelly. So you know the dry coconut give you and it's not going to heal the oil as it ought to.
Oh.
Because it's not dried properly.
The dry one give you more oil.
More oil.
Okay, cool. Cool. All right.
It's best to use the native coconut though.
Okay. Which one is the native one?
Then you call them the old time coconut, not the
not the agricultural one.
No.
not the commercial meal. Okay. I think I know the one you're talking.
Yes.
Okay.
So everything is,
original, traditional.
Yes.
All right. And this now is just to scoop up the extra. Can I say the trash? We don't say the trash. What do you call it? The
coconut trash.
Coconut trash, you call it. Okay. All right. Coconut trash. All right. Squeeze them out and you put them over here. Now, what do you do with this? Do you use this for anything else?
Unless I'm going to make pudding for myself, then I will use that. Other than that, because the hot water is in and take out everything, it is dried, you see?
So there's nothing much in there?
No.
Okay.
No.
Oh, I didn't know that. Yes. So when we are making our own coconut milk, it's best at home. Because we use coconut milk, guys, here in Jamaica for everything. I mean, all kind of stuff. But how I grew up, we use it for, we grate it the same way. And we juice it the same way. Right. But we just use regular water. Just show water. Room temperature water.
Room water? Okay.
Yeah, but you're suggesting using a little bit of warm
water.
Yeah.
It take out more of the oil out of it.
And that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, cool.
So I'm going to leave this cream would leave overnight. Right? Just put it in a pot. And the cream would come on the top. You would see the water under the bottom.
So you leave it overnight at room temperature?
Yes.
At room temperature. And in your area here, by the way, guys, we're in deep rural Westmoreland. Place called Content. It's very cool up here. That's why she looks so cool. Yeah. So when you leave it overnight, though, because here is a little cooler.
Yes.
It's a cooler area.
It comes out like cheesecake. You know how cheesecake look?
Yeah.
Yes. It comes out like cheesecake on the top of the pot. So it make it more easier to come out. If the temperature is warm, then you will find that you have little custard looking stuff, and the oil the water under the bottom and the oil will be on the top. So that take a lesser process than to put. If I put all of this on the fire, it's going to take a lot of time to get the oil. Oh,
so it's a little shortcut way.
Yes.
Yeah, all right, cool.
Yes.
All right, so this is gonna go and stay overnight, but we're not gonna wait overnight, guys. We're not gonna wait overnight. Yeah, you don't have to wait overnight. She actually has a batch prepared already. That was overnight from last night. I think she's gonna show us now how that looks. So stay tuned.
So this is the coconut oil that the cream and stuff that is left over, the juice that was left over.
And this
yes.
Go ahead.
So I'm going to see if the oil is under the bottom there. So I need another pot. Okay. And I need my spoon. And I'm going to try my best not to take the water. Okay?
Oh.
So this is the cream.
So this is almost solid.
Yes. It's not that solid because it would come
understand.
out.
No man, understand.
Yes.
You have a strong consistency though.
Right. So it's mostly cream. That is mostly the cream. So I don't need the water to cause it to have too much water to boil and too much time on the fire. Right? So I try my best to take out the cream without the water so that they.
And I should tell my viewers now, guys. First of all, give us a like, no man. Come, give us some like. Give Miss Anne Marie some like and some love for showing her process.
Yes.
But I need to tell her. I need to tell you too that she is. This batch here was actually not just overnight. It was in the fridge.
Yes.
And she has a secret, a little trick that if you put it in the fridge, it makes the oil comes
the cream
easy. The cream comes easier to the top.
Yes.
That is why now she's just scooping up the cream, and the cream which is in here.
If you put it in one day, you want to use it like this, it can be used for different stuff. You can use this to make rundown and all of the nice cooking food. You know?
Yes.
Add your little saltfish and your spice to this.
Yes.
You don't want this fit done because
boy, I wish we had some to show off. We're gonna have that today. Today. All right. Well, but we learn, we know now. So when you go back home, guys, you're home. Check this out, man. Do that. Make sure you have original Jamaican coconut though.
Yes.
That would be best.
So I'm going to.
Hold on, but you're not finished yet, man. So is there any more? That's it. You're not gonna take off anymore. That's it. That's it.
I am not. No, not that. It's not finished.
So you're gonna leave the rest.
Yes. You see, you can see water there. Yes.
Okay. But it looks like you can still get a little more, man. I'm greedy.
So I'm trying to take off as best as I can.
Okay, well, man, go and take, man. It looks like it still looks pretty strong to me. I mean,
yes,
solid to me. Yeah. All right. Just scooping up onto. Okay, so that looks more like it now.
Yes.
So this cream here now is what is gonna be boiled.
This one.
This is gonna be boiled.
Yes.
And then you're gonna get the coconut oil.
Yes.
Original Jamaican. And you don't add anything to it, right?
Nothing is added.
All right. Stay tuned, guys.
So here I added to the. Yes.
The fire and lighting.
Yes.
Now, tell me now, how long will this process last typically?
Typically, it will last at least 10 to 15 minutes. Yes.
So quick?
Yes. So
what's gonna happen?
It's going to boil, and you have to watch the flame at the heat of the stove, right? So you want one whole heap of fire so that it get burned.
Oh.
Right.
So the oil can get burned too.
Yes, it can. So it come out dark and brown. It depends on the color, how much fire that is on it.
I see.
Right. So when they start to boil, quick, you'll see the oil coming out on the top.
All right, so we'll be here watching it. Any questions you have, go ahead and drop it in the comments right now, guys. I'm sure Miss Anne Marie will be more than willing to answer your questions. So drop it in the comments. And if you miss the premiere, we're gonna do it live. We're gonna come back to the comments. So don't worry, you'll get your comments answered as well. So go ahead and drop it in there. If you appreciate what she's doing still, go ahead and give it a like, man. Right? Show her some love. So she said 15 minutes. So we're gonna be here watching it for 15 minutes. Alright guys, we're having a little fun laugh at the side here because Miss Anne Marie here was telling me about the history, how she started doing coconut oil. So go ahead and tell us, man.
Alright, so the coconut oil is I learned it from my mother-in-law. You know, they say mother-in-law sometimes somebody has some bad mother-in-law, but my mother-in-law want a good one.
Alright, well that's good to know. Big up our mother-in-law.
Right. So my mother-in-law taught me how to make the coconut oil. She would say, April girl, come help me make the oil. First she used to have memory loss wherein she used to put down stuff and not remember. And one church sister introduced her to the coconut oil to say that if you start to use this, then you will improve your memory. And it works. So
how she use it?
She used it to put in her food, like cook. Change the regular cooking oil to the coconut oil. And it works. And also by helping her, I learned. Okay. Right? And
she said, you say April girl because it's April they call you.
Yes, April.
Alright.
Right? So Miss Lana taught me how to do it from scratch as I just gone through. Right? So the coconut oil, we don't add anything to it other than if we get an you know, a special order wherein somebody need whether they want to add garlic to it, they want to add some other stuff to it, then I can do that. I do the garlic coconut oil as regular my grandmother and my mother-in-law. For my daughter, she always have cold, as you know, up here is really cold, right?
Very cool.
Yes. So I use the garlic and the coconut oil for her cold, and it works.
How you use that though?
Like just in the same process of boiling the coconut, the juice from the cream. From the coconut, I just add the garlic to that and it keep on boiling.
And boil with it?
Yes.
Okay. So it's really more like a garlic flavor, but you get some of the essence of the garlic in there.
Yes.
The nutrition of the garlic. And you give her like a spoonful?
Yes.
Okay. And that work?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
All right. So where's Miss Lana now? She's still around? She passed?
No, she's not.
She
is in another area of the community.
Oh, so she's still around.
She's in Pinnock Shaft.
Oh, so big up Miss Lana, the man.
Oh,
Big up Miss Lana.
Big up Miss Lana.
The knowledge comes from Miss Lana
Yes.
for the most part. Cool.
Yes.
More questions for you. What do you know? Oh, apart from the coconut and the garlic, are you aware of it being useful in any other way?
Yes, most of the I got persons who purchase it from me saying that it's good for women that sometimes, you know, when you're having your mens, it's kind of dark and it's painful. Yeah. They use it, warm it, and use it with garlic or other stuff that they add to it to you know, allow the pain and all of that to go away.
Oh, okay.
I use it for my daughter here, and I'm telling you, her hair.
Why? She's pretty, and she's a pretty daughter. I wonder if you want to show her. You want to show off to them how pretty your daughter is, and her hair. Come, man, come in at the thing, pretty girl, pretty. Where is she? Come show them your hair. Come show them your hair, my friend.
I use it for her hair. And it works. I use the.
So how you use it in the hair? Oh, don't forget what you were saying.
For the hair, it's like when you're washing the hair, you use it to you know, moisturize.
Oh, so it's like a conditioner.
Then, yes, like a conditioner. Come, Vivian. So this is my daughter. Yes. Where is she?
You're tall and strong. Look at the hair. Look at the hair root them there. Okay, it's all the old traditional Jamaican coconut time.
Yes, I do.
All right, beautiful. Big up. What's her name?
Yes. Her name is Xavier.
Xavier, sweet lady.
Yeah.
And you use it too, right?
Yes, I use it.
Because your skin look pretty to me. You use it on your skin?
Yes, I do. I use it on my skin, and I used to have crack in my heel before. You know, the crack, them big crack in your foot.
Lord of mercy. Don't take time.
I used to have those cracks in my foot, and I just use the coconut oil just to, you know, to moist the area. I'm telling you the truth, the cracks are gone.
I'm gonna need some.
Yes.
I won't so much, except to say that I'm gonna need some. I might need a good amount though.
Alright, so those are some of the things that I learned about it, and persons use it. As I said, it's good for cooking. Anything you cook.
Everybody behind me laugh like crazy
guys. Nice. Right? And they.
Sorry. We're talking about we kind of laugh and kind of distract from that. Sorry about that, guys. Everybody kind of relating to it, you know.
Yeah.
So you were saying, sorry, go on again.
So I was saying that you can use the coconut oil for cooking because it is not burned. You turn you.
What do you mean not burned?
Because when you
not burned meaning.
Yes. So you can use the coconut oil as a process for cooking.
Yeah.
So you can use it to fry your chicken, your fish, all of that, right?
Okay.
If you get a burn one, then you know that the chicken is not going to look as pretty as it ought to
look. If the oil is burned?
Yes.
Okay. But why would the oil be? Oh, you mean when you're making the oil?
Yes, if it is burned.
Okay. What would you do with that? If that would be not the procedure.
Yes.
But would you just straight away or you can use it for other stuff? That's the one I can use for your heel now?
Yes, you can use that one for your heel. Just the same.
Okay.
Right? Alright, so that is typically it. You can use it for your skin wherein it takes off, you keep off the eczema. Yes.
Let me show them your skin. Show them your pretty skin.
husking.
All right, and I must say, guys, I want to hear from you actually. Do you use coconut oil, traditional Jamaican coconut, and what you use it for? Because I tell you, I met a lady in the market the other day, and she had it, and I was intrigued because she had like a bucket, a 5 gallon of it. But she has a bigger process than you. You are just homemade, and you do it for your little family, your friends, and you're hoping to expand the thing.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. In fact, guys, if you want to reach out, you're looking some sales. So if people are interested, they can reach out to you. There's a link in the description, of course. What I was saying though, the lady gave me a little taste, man. And I tell you, it reminded me so much of the old. It tastes different. The traditional coconut oil tastes different. Oh, it's different. And I'm telling you, man, that is one of the reasons why I was encouraged to come to you so fast, you know, because I say I really want to capture the process, because I want to use it. I want to get back them original taste. And there was another person I got some at, where did I get it on? I had it on ackee and saltfish. Somebody could use it ackee and saltfish. Where was that again? I'm trying to remember. I went somewhere and I got ackee and saltfish with the traditional Jamaican coconut oil. You don't want to taste. Well, you know about that, right?
Good. Yes, that tastes good.
But you watching don't want to taste that because you're not gonna cheat. You're not gonna go back to anything else except ackee and salt with the coconut. Tastes good.
Yes.
Yes, man. It has special kind of taste, especially the native coconut. All right, let's check on that. Is it ready now? Do you think it's?
It's not yet, but it's almost there.
All right, let's see. Oh, so it's gonna continue bubble like that.
Yes.
And then what? What's done?
Don't bother touch it, pot hot.
Yeah.
And then the oil is going to come out on the top.
So you don't stir it or anything like that?
Yes, I'm going to stir it. See, it's mostly custard. It's coming
custard
down.
Now,
if you want to make the ackee and saltfish run down or ackee salt, you know.
You just throw it in there?
You just throw the saltfish and stuff in there and it
that smell good too, man. It smells like the old time, guys. You can smell it too. If you can smell it online, give me a thumbs up right now. I'm pretty sure somebody has smell it right now. I literally believe so. Yeah, man, it has that smell. It smells nice. Smell nice. But it's a tedious process though. It's not, it takes time. Like anything good, it takes a little time.
Yes.
Okay.
Because you don't want it to burn in there, so you can hurry it.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes. So I know you say it takes 15 minutes, but I don't know. It seems like 15 minutes gone already. It's like 15 minutes gone, but anyway, it's coming down. It's coming home. Coming home, and pretty soon, guys, you're gonna see authentic Jamaican coconut oil, courtesy of Anne-Marie. What's her last name?
Sinclair.
Anne-Marie Sinclair in the deep rural Westmoreland community of Content.
That's right.
Big up all people in Content. Big up all Westmorelites, my parish. Big up all persons watching in the diaspora. I know you love them kind of something here too. All right, cool. Let's look in again. Let's check in again, guys, and see what's going on. What's going on now. Sure. Tell me about it.
Ready? The oil is
it's ready?
Yeah.
All right. So, come on. Let me see. All right, stir up and turn around and. So that's the oil?
Yes. So see the custard here? That was the cream.
That was the cream?
Yes. So this custard, it can just, it can still be eaten. This one.
Tastes good. I believe somebody will lick them tongue right now. Like myself. Because that part is the nicest part of the man.
Yes.
All right. So you're not gonna throw it away, right?
No, I'm not going to throw it away. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to turn off the flame. And then I'm going to separate the oil from it to see how the oil looks. Alright. So
Alright, let me capture you here doing that. Let me capture her here. Alright, so it's straight. So it's a metal, kind of metal tray. Obviously you don't want to pour that on plastic tray. Alright, cool.
See?
Alright, and then, so this is a pure, so more custard remains. So the residue, aka the custard, remains here. And so you can put that on. You can put that half on bread now.
Yes, man.
Tastes good. I'm pretty sure. Smell good too. You should smell it, guys. And then this is a pure coconut. Just lean it for me so my viewers can see properly.
See. Yes.
That's it. Careful, careful, man.
Yeah.
So that's a pure oil. Pure traditional Jamaican oil. Nothing added, nothing minus. And we just did this, guys, for demonstration purposes. But she when she does it, you do the bigger batches and stuff like that.
Yes, bigger
but this is how it looks.
Yes.
Doesn't get realer than this, right?
No real.
And this is what the world is running down now. Alright, but that's that. That's a process. That's a process, guys. And then this is again the residue stuff. We can eat that. I'm gonna taste it, you know.
Okay.
So we're gonna eat it with now. We normally alright. Wait, what do you normally do with it?
If I add saltfish to it, I'm going to use it for my dinner.
If you add, what do you mean if you add saltfish?
Like, for the rundown, you know, add saltfish to it and just spice it up, season it up.
Oh. So,
as your protein.
So you don't normally. So it's just salt. Okay. So you would use the oil as well, I presume, as well as this.
Yes.
Okay. And you stir up in this and mix it up and bam, 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 bam. Man, that's the process, guys. That's traditional Jamaican coconut oil, courtesy of Miss Anne-Marie Sinclair. And she's starting her own little business, so we're giving her some energy, some love. Give her a thumbs up too first for the video, for her willingness to share, you know, her process and space with us. So yeah, man, give her some likes and support. But she's starting a little business. She has some more. These are coconut oil that is already done, prepared. She actually had her own little brand and stuff here and label and so on. I think this is gonna be redone.
Yes.
But that's the real coconut oil. It's a little bit heavy, almost like it's frozen. Yeah, because
the time is cold.
Yeah, it's kind of cool here, but when the time is warm, it's just gonna come back.
Liquid, that's like what was in the pot.
Exactly, that's like the pot, right? But she also does
castor oil.
She's doing castor oil to masa, right? And this is JBCC, original Jamaican castor oil as well. But right now, her priority, her focus, is coconut oil, and she wants to get some market. So if you want to reach out to her to give her some support, she's willing and ready to accept it.
Oh yes.
But you said she's also looking to, you know, get a bigger space right now.
Yes, for the space, because I was introduced to register the business through the content CDC. The SDC persons came about, and they said it's a good initiative.
Yes,
right.
Yes.
And by so taking the advice, I started to do the bottling, because we used to sell the coconut oil in JB bottles.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so we started to use our own bottles, and first we started with lamb, as to the Ellis for Miss Lana, Anne-Marie McLean, and Miss Beth.
Oh, cool, cool.
So we started out with lamb's product, coconut oil, and the label looking good, but because my business is now registered since May, I will have to change the label as soon as these are finished.
Yes.
April's oils and more.
Cool.
So that is where the castor oil come in, and I'm hoping as I extend my business, I'm trying to do, because I can get castor bean in my community, and I want to do the rosemary oil.
Okay.
Right.
You have big plans.
Yes, I have big plans for the business, but I just need some more. I need some more help for the space. I need a workspace other than my house kitchen.
Yes.
Because of that, then the Bureau of Standard will come in and to
understand. So you need some more space. All right. So guys, the appeal is out. If you're willing to help her get her space together, she's willing to accept that. But also show her some love, man. Get some of her products. Real Jamaican. I'm gonna take some with me. Make sure I purchase my own here from her, and she and I will be in touch. So stay tuned. In fact, I'm gonna help her get some of her products out her coconut oil. So there's a link in the description right now. If you're interested in purchasing, supporting her by purchasing her products, check the link in the description. And order your original Jamaican coconut oil, and you will get it wherever you are. All right. So I'm promising her that. Any final words? Miss?
I just want to say thank you for coming, and thank you for this opportunity. It's a great one for me. I'm a bit nervous.
Yes, you were nervous all along.
Short of words and all of that, but I'm really grateful for this opportunity.
Yes. And thank you so much for inviting us in your home. to share the process with myself and my viewers. Guys, if you appreciate it, give her some thumbs up again. My question, or one of my added viewers asked me the other day. I did a video recently, and he said, "Oh, you didn't ask your question." The question that I asked everybody. Yeah. You look nervous. Don't worry. The question is, what makes Jamaica special?
What makes Jamaica special is because of the natural stuff that is in Jamaica. You know, I believe that Jamaica can survive from Jamaica.
I believe so.
Yes.
I believe so. All right. Perfect. I believe so. What a wonderful way to end. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, by the way, you remember her, guys, from the Green Jill video. Link in the description as well. Remember her from the Green Jill video. Lovely lady with her, Anne-Marie with her traditional Jamaican coconut oil. All right. That's it, guys. How to make traditional Jamaican coconut oil. Yes, coconut oil. Coconut oil. I want to hear from you. I want to hear from you. And Miss Anne-Marie want to hear from you too, man. Come. Share a comment down below. I have lots more videos. Lots more videos like these of people like her. I call it the real Jamaica. Right? So make sure you check out my videos. There are lots more. Check my channel and see you in the next one.